like a funny pun for the title. I was thinking like Eminem, like Guess Who's Back, or Big Mac, Mac Attack. I don't know. Hey guys, it's John with Longhaul Lifesavers, and today we have another unboxing.
I win.
No, she doesn't. What we're going to be unboxing today is the Mac Mini PC. Now this, instead of using an Intel i3 or i5 processor, this has the new M1 Apple chip. Supposedly this is a lot faster than any of the Intel Core processors. We're going to find out. We only got the 8 gigabytes of RAM because it was the only one that we can get. We had a large gift certificate to Best Buy, and you can't get the 16 gigs from Best Buy, so this is what we got. Now we have an extended return date if we need to, if this isn't fast enough, and then we'll just order it in the future. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So one of the big reasons we got this is because of its size, and it's a Mac. But if you look down here, come on, look at the size of this. Now I have big hands, but this is a small computer. Okay, so let's go over some of the ports on the back. We have the power port, the Ethernet cable, USB-A ports, 2 standard USB ports, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack. As with any Apple product, their boxes tend to be very minimalistic but bougie. So as you can see, there's not a lot going on. We have a set of minimalistic instructions and a power cable. With this is just like buying a normal PC tower. That's all this is. If you want to add any externals, so you're gonna need a monitor, you're gonna need a mouse, and you're gonna need a keyboard. All those are extra. We already had them from our PC build, so we're just gonna use the same ones. Once we get this plugged in, we'll be ready to rock. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get this set up. Now look for a video in the future. We're going to do a review about this and see how it's working with our editing software, and if we're having any hiccups with the 8 gigabytes of RAM, or if we have to upgrade to the 16s. Stay tuned for a future episode. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then head on over to Instagram and follow us at Longhaul Lifesavers. See you guys!